In this video, I'm going to be paying 2 different Fiverr artists to make me a banner, which I will be giving to you guys, hence why in a community post the other day, I asked if anyone wanted a free banner. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start out with this artist right here. This is the guy that actually made me my banner and logo for me. He's super good at what he does, and I appreciate that a bunch. So shout out to this guy. He makes some really cool art. So we're going to be starting out with him, and the person that's going to be getting this design is going to be Spacey. So as you can see right here, this is the guy that's going to be getting this one. So he just does gaming content. So let's go ahead and start this. So continue for only $5. Okay, so let's see what we got to do here. Let's just continue to check out. It's actually $7. Okay, so we just paid for it, and now what we got to do is submit the requirements. So let's go ahead and submit those right now. All right, so we typed all that in. Now we just start the order, and I'll wait a few days and I'll be back with a video on this guy, and I'm also going to be buying another one. So let's just skip to that. All right, the next guy that we're going to be buying a banner for is called Quotes and Articles right here. So this is Quotes and Articles. Basically, he does quote videos and all that. And I saw this banner and I thought that it needed some help. So let's go ahead and give him some help. So let's go ahead and hit buy. Continue to checkout. And confirm and pay. Okay, here we go. The seller needs the following information. Okay, so logo. Alright, finish typing it. Let's go ahead and start order. Okay, so now all we have to do is wait. So the other one's going to be delivered on the 11th or something. Before that, maybe. This one's going to be delivered on the 12th. So once I get those delivered, I will start recording those and include it in this video. So you probably won't see this until I get the deliveries. But I thought this would be a cool idea, a good way to help you guys while also making content. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next part. Alright guys, it's been about 2 days now and I have received both of the orders, so let's go ahead and check them out. So this first one is from this guy right here. His name is Hidden Eye. So I purchased this one right here for $5. So $5, you cannot go wrong. Everyone underprices their work. You should definitely be charging way more. Real life companies, big companies charge over thousands of dollars for logos and banners. So don't sell yourself short, and selling stuff this cheap kind of hurts the community because some people put a lot of work into it, but they cannot compete with the prices. So just keep that in mind, but we're going to be checking out this guy's right now. This is for, I think, Quotes and Articles. So here it is. Honestly, super clean right off the bat. I don't really have any complaints. It's super good. It's clean. It's got like the cool people in the background, the city and all that. It gets across, you know, the channel name and all that. Inspiration, motivation, you know, they look rich. That's motivation and inspiration. I like the yellow and blue. I'm pretty sure those are complementary colors. I think actually orange and blue are, but either way, it's close enough. So it works really well together. And I like the big text behind it. It's a nice touch. So he did a great job for $5. That's really awesome. It's not hard to make this, but $5 is literally nothing. So that's super cool. And now we're going to move on to the next one, which is super impressive. I've ordered like 5 of these banners from this guy because he's just too good. And I just want to see what he can come up with. So this one is going to be from, what's his name? All right, so the next one is going to be from this guy right here, HLLL Molt or whatever. I don't know how to say that. But, I mean, look at that. $5? Like, come on. That's insane. Super artistic, and it's super good and impressive, and I love it. I love the style of it. So let's go ahead and see what this guy made for Spacey. So this is Spacey's. It's super cool. Spacey has like a Minecraft and just a bunch of random games, I'm pretty sure, on his channel. So this works really well, and it just looks super good. I have no complaints about it. It's amazing that it's only $5. I feel bad because he should be charging way more than $5 if I'm being honest. So hopefully if you guys want to check out his stuff and buy some things from him, hopefully he'll raise the price eventually and get what he deserves. But this is what he made, and it's super cool, and he did a great job. So I might be doing more of these in the future. A lot of you guys left comments on that community post, so I'm pretty sure you guys want to see more. So I don't know, I might do more. I enjoyed it. It was cool to see what people came up with, and that's all I got for you guys today. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.